The Inside-Out House by Modo Designs is a testament to the seamless integration of architecture and nature. The owner's desire for an airy home overlooking their backyard garden, while prioritizing privacy and security, was the driving force behind this innovative design. The architects began by mapping the existing trees on the site, including majestic mango trees, and carefully crafted a layout that not only preserved these natural elements but also incorporated the timeless concept of Indian courtyards. This strategic integration of courtyards creates a dynamic interplay between indoor and outdoor spaces, blurring the boundaries and fostering a harmonious connection with the surrounding environment. A spiral staircase ascends from the living area to the upper level, where 3 bedrooms and a lounge space are located. The southwest corner houses a guest bedroom overlooking the garden, while the northwest corner, accessible through the vestibule and outer court, features a veranda, gym, and spa room. The central bay of the house is the heart of this spatial dialogue, featuring 3 interconnected courtyards. The inner court, an archetypal Indian space, houses the living, dining, and formal drawing areas. To address concerns of security, rain, and dust, the architects introduced elegant wood screens that complement the exposed concrete structure. Additionally, operable wooden louvres offer flexibility, allowing this space to be adjusted to different times of the day and weather conditions. The house itself is a striking frame structure, composed of concrete columns and walls. The interior is adorned with natural Miracotta stone flooring, while the outdoor areas feature leather-finished Cotta stone and granite. The overall design is a symphony of spaces, characterized by modulating light and ever-changing vistas. The outer court, which encompasses the entry vestibule, work studio, and veranda, is more open to the sky. Sliding wooden screens on the garden side provide privacy and security at night while still allowing refreshing breezes to flow through the space. The lower common areas are adorned with glass windows that frame views of the outdoors, while the bedrooms feature wooden louvres and panels to enhance privacy and insulate against the intense heat from the west side. As one enters the east-facing porch, they are drawn into a vestibule that leads to the outer court. The work studio and puja area are situated on the right side, while the formal drawing room is accessible through a semi-open passage adjacent to the inner court. This passageway further leads to the dining and kitchen areas, culminating in the living area, which is nestled between the inner court and the garden. As one traverses the vestibule and semi-open passages, the spaces gradually expand, inviting a sense of openness and fluidity. The interplay of light filtering through the courtyards and the glimpses of sky above creates a captivating ambience. The semi-open veranda, situated between the outer court and rear garden, serves as an extension of the living space, offering a versatile area for relaxation and social gatherings. The inside-out house is a collaborative effort, born from the fruitful interaction between the owners, designers, consultants, and contractors. The result is a stunning residence that seamlessly blends modern architecture with traditional Indian design principles, creating a truly unique and inspiring living space.